Hi friends, welcome to Mathstoon. In today's video, we will learn how to convert kilograms into grams. So let's learn. kg stands for kilogram. G stands for gram. Know that 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. So, in kilograms will be equal to n times 1000 grams. Using this fact, we can say that n kilograms m grams is equal to n times 1000 plus m grams. Now we will understand these facts with the help of some examples. In our first case, we have taken 5 kilograms. Using this fact, we can say that 5 kilograms is equal to 5 times 1000 grams. That is equal to 5000 grams. In our second example, we have 3.1 kilograms. We will use this fact again. So, this can be written as 3.1 times 1000 grams, which is equal to 3100 grams. In our third example, we have 2 kilograms 150 grams. We will use this fact in this example. Doing that, we get 2 times 1000 plus 150 grams. Simplifying, we get 2000 plus 150 grams, which is equal to 2150 grams. Thank you for watching. Please like and share this video. If you find it useful, please leave your comment in the comment box.